Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about the mirrors on your car. Regardless of what car you got, before you order mirrors, make sure that you know what's in your original mirror. Go out and have a look at it. Do you have an indicator in the mirror? If you've got a Land Cruiser or a Y62 or something that might have blind spot monitoring, have a look at the glass and you can see 2 car symbol etched into the glass here. There's other features like heaters and all the rest of it. Usually your heater turns on from your demisters, and if you simply go out, turn your heaters on or your demister or whatever, and just breathe on the mirror, it'll fog up like that. And if it's got heaters, you'll see the lines in there in the back of the glass. If you have blind spot in your car, quite often you will have a camera out the bottom for a blind spot monitoring. You need to make sure that if you take the mirror off the car and it has an indicator in it, you need to make sure that you replace it with an indicator. If you don't, you can be deemed unroadworthy and your car put off the road until you get one. For any more information on all of our products, go to clearviewaccessories.com.au.